Welcome back to the channel. This is Hunter2323, and this is video number 4, part 4 of the assembly of a Cobra 4 sewing machine. And today's in this segment, we will be putting on the foot pedal chain and lift of the sewing foot. So look forward to seeing you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. And we'll see you at the flip side. You're going to see in this segment, I installed the LED light, and I inadvertently put it in the wrong hole and had to move it to the correct hole. And so you'll see me do all that work, but again, until I figure out the voice thing, wow, it's really hard to tell what I'm saying. But anyways, there you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the light, my LED light going, at least hooked up. So you undo the threaded nut, take it off of the line, and one washer. And then you thread this through this outside hole. Like that. Put your washer and then nut. And I believe that's a 17. And of course I can't reach it. Uncoil this power cord for a moment. And of course, it's not a 17. So there's another wrench I'm missing. And maybe it's a 7/8. I don't know. It's not a 7/8. Okay. It is a 25/32, which I can't remember in metric, but I think that's a 19. Whatever, maybe 19. Okay, so there's, of course, this is the back of the work area. So you're going to position your LED, you know, so it illuminates the workplace, like about right there. Okay. Now, based on what I see, I have a needle, I have a pressure foot, I don't have the part that keeps it from engaging the leather. It's somewhere here. Here it is. So that at some point I got to stop guessing and read the directions. So this, I believe, nope, doesn't go there. It goes somewhere here. We'll, I don't see how that fits right away. So we will have to do some reading and learning. Oh, there's my other pressure foot right there. Put that in here. Okay. Okay. So there's pieces of the part that I need to figure out. So now's the time to read. And here we go. Okay, so while I was digging around looking at stuff, I realized that I put the LED light on in the wrong hole. Goes in this one, and then you have to feed the wire out. And then you got to get the screw, its washer, and the nut on the wire. Washer first, nut second. Okay, once that's snug, you can dress the wire, the power cable, back towards the servo motor controller. Because on the back of the servo. Okay, so one end of this chain hooks onto this hook right here. And then the other end of the chain drops down through the hole. Okay, now we got an S hook here. There it goes. Oh, nice move, buddy. Okay, sorry about that. So, we'll start again. Wow, the camera's flying all over. It's like I'm a parent at a wrestling match. So there's my okay, so I got the chain from the head, not the head, the foot lift through the hole, and now I'm going to hook it onto that S hook of the pedal. Okay, so I got the chain on there, and you just take up the slack, with the extra S hook that they give you. And then when you push on the pedal, of course I'm doing it backwards, but it actuates the foot on the machine head. Wonderful. Okay, let's see what's next. So thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. I am always encouraged by likes and subscribes, so please do that. People accepted, lives changed.